Okay, in this video we will discuss about the translation of axes. Let's suppose this is xy coordinate system. Here origin is at center or at 0 0. This is x-axis and the y-axis. Let's suppose there is a point P whose axis according to this coordinate system is x and y. Okay, now let's suppose if h and k is the new origin of the set. Let's suppose we shifted the origin from O to here, and the new axis will be parallel to the old axis. Let's suppose the new axis here is this one. This is new x-axis and this is new y-axis. Okay. If we are not okay, now let's suppose draw a perpendicular line on x-axis from P and from new center, which will be h and k. See h and k on a x-axis. This will say m and this will say n. Okay. PM cuts the new x-axis at point which is we named as m1. Okay. Then the following assumption. Now we can see here that ON from O to N, this distance will be equal to h, because h is the new center, which is h times away from a center, and this is new center O, and NO will be equal to, from N to O, this height will be equal to K, and OM will be equal to x. From O to M, this is old x, and MP will be equal to y. From M to Y, P is equal to y. Also, OM1, this will be equal to the x of the new coordinate axis, and M1P, this will be equal to the y of new coordinate axis. Okay, now through old rectangular coordinate axis, we will observe that x will be equal to x. Where is x? This one is x. Okay, x will be equal to OM. Where is O? O to M. This is x, because x, y are the points of point P, coordinates of point P. So OM is the x point of old coordinate system, and which is equal to ON plus NM according to new coordinate system. ON and NM. Okay, sorry, we can also write it as ON plus OM1, O to N, O to M1, and we know that O to N is equal to H. This will be equal to H plus, and OM1 is equal to X, which will be equal to H1 plus X. This is capital X. Okay, now Y will be equal to MP. Y will be equal to MP, which is M into M1 plus M1 into P. M into M1 plus M into M1 into P. And M into M1 is equal to NO plus M1P. And NO is equal to K, and this will be equal to Y. So y is equal to capital K plus y. Or simply we can say that x is equal to x plus h, and y is equal to y plus k. These are the coordinates of translation of axis, or we can say that this is a transformation for the translation of axis. By this method, we can shift the old coordinate or old plane axis into a new axis. Thank you.